This is one of a pair of Advent 25th Anniversary Limited Edition speakers, and it has been restored by way of changing the rotten foam surround with a new foam surround. And so I'm going to show this process. It really improves this speaker to have brand new foam surrounds. And it's basically 3 steps. The first step is to take the rotten surround and clean it and prep the area that's going to be glued. Then glue in the foam surround to the cone. And once that has dried, you then center the cone and make sure it's free floating and everything is aligned. And then you glue the outer part of the foam surround. And what that does, it really restores the speaker, and it just comes to life. It really brings it back to a new condition. So we're going to show this process, and let's get started. There's a 20 hertz signal being fed through these speakers, and you can see they are silent, so the refoaming of the speaker was effective.
This is a test of the silicon sound system. Please disengage all equalization media. Let all buffers flow naturally. All test data will be in cycles, starting from 360 cycles down to 10 cycles. Test will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 360, 350, 340, 330, 320, 310, 300 cycles, 290, 280, 270, 260, 250, 240, 230, 220, 210, 200 cycles, 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100 cycles, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 cycles. This has been a test of the silicon sound system. You may now re-engage all of your bass enhancement devices.